Are you panicky with the level of low AMH in your blood reports? AMH is the anti-Mullerian hormone that is released from your eggs. It is the indicator of the balance of your eggs at that particular time. It doesn't indicate your chances of pregnancy at all. So even if your AMH is 0.2, you still have a fair chance of pregnancy.
Barok sikata la saki ya kejinga lap ban penlong ya kenong ba shalong ke bakut ke basuba hendrai kani kam sim langam satia hakikat tu kani nabaki ya beteng ban Bret ya Niut klem dadon ya kenu kejing perwa bahkan pentut pat ya kayat ke yang jongki weipan.
Walaupun ki persyang ban penlong ya kenong ba shalong ke bakut ke basuba da ke banok senyang kat bala. Hendrai la saki pat bakiladon ki brio ki balet ban Bret ki Niut kinyer kakendo bat kimau ha kesurok keberan habot cerut. Kani kejing Bret ikini kalong hasil Lynter jong kani kesurok kelam da perkat syo ba kelak ta apat iki kali bat kipat ba kibayat kibayang nang kani kejaka. Hagini kisni habak ladon kejing jauh slap kakti bat kini Niut kinyer kila tut lut cesurok bat kala penjabok kani kathan bat pensertok ikinong yat nong yeng. Kibabon kila subajor baya kakendo usiap bat kimau kibasop ya karong surok. Kiba lalet Bret hakane kathan kedai kabalapha deki kontraktor kiba shna surok bat lale ekane kakam tang ha kapor menmit ha kaba omnan bayat bayang syu hakane kajaka kabadum teliu ka shillong cantonment board keladap da kejing benyau halor kane kejing wan the Niut klam akor ki brio hasil Lynter jong ka bot cerut u CEO jong ka shillong cantonment board u Ayush Moria uloong bayamenta kila penap brio ban pahara bat kila yok ban kem ka wei ka kali kat ba kadang Bret jaklia kana kesurok bat kila lit ujor ejahar haki pulet bakin le ekbran kam ulong bah ka office kalamat jeng namar haki ar lai snem ki blalet kila bo iki solar light akane kesurok hendra kinong tu kila tu lot iki tiar kitar u Ayush ulong bu dan jeng temu banang ni syakmat an pendat no deki kor CCTV hasil Lynter jong kesurok ban peniat pahara rengkat bat ban buono ikapos elektrik ban tek lakam ke jingwan tek Niut bat ban penolong ya kene kejaka ke basingan ha ke bayat bayeng.
We have taken basically, we are planning to do it in a two-way approach. One is a short-term approach and a long-term approach. In a short term, we have placed a board, we have placed some guards, and we have caught one vehicle also, and we have put an FIR in the local police station. The long term, the solution would definitely be the CCTV cameras, and in fact we have placed that area is actually very dark, and the sunlight, the solar panel we have placed 2 years or 3 years back, they also have got stolen, so we have put an FIR also that. So we are facing this menace since a long time, and we are working on it. Of course, awareness campaign are also going to be run. So the problem basically is the dumping, illegal dumping. It's coming from outside. The construction activities are going on outside the cantonment area, and it's been dumping. And we have caught one vehicle also, so we have done the FIR. So short-term measure is definitely this, and long-term we will definitely look to put some CCTV cameras and continuous patrolling along with the lightening of the streets in the darker time, the night time. Yeah.
Thank you very much.